Alright, found another elevator. It's got MAD fixtures on this one. Kinda works. I think it's a TK. Yeah, ThyssenKrupp. See, where are we? Seaside Villas. I really like those charts that just tell you where you are. And these are multi-phase buttons for some of them. That's kind of cool. Sheesh. This thing's rough. I don't really need to get off. No view on a 4-story building. It's got the DMG contact buttons. The down arrow doesn't work. It's just a line. Our go line. So my guess is this was probably an impulse based on its particular panel size and door's shape and layout. Cab was a very generic. Leveling takes forever. Wait for the door to close. That's interesting. And that's it.